Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the physical phone shape so the rest fits. Open a blank slide, change slide size to a mobile ratio, and draw a rounded rectangle for the body. Once done, add an inner rectangle for the screen area, remove its outline, and center it precisely. Make sure to pick a fill and shadow that read on camera. You'll use this frame as a mask for screenshots and mock-ups, so keep proportions consistent and use guides for exact alignment. Now populate the screen so the phone looks real and interactive. Insert a screenshot or mock-up and crop, or mask it inside the screen rectangle. Align edges precisely. Next, build UI elements like a speaker slit, home button, and status bar using small shapes, and group them by function. Once grouped, add subtle entrance or appear animations to simulate taps and screen transitions. Make sure timing is consistent, and that animations are triggered automatically or by click, depending on how you'll present. Finish by grouping every element so the phone moves as one object when you animate or export. Add a drop shadow or reflection for depth, and if you want interactivity, attach hyperlinks or animation triggers to buttons to jump between slides. Once satisfied, preview the sequence. Check alignment, timing, and tap realism. Then export. Choose PNG/JPEG for still mockups or MP4/WMV for animated demos. If something misaligns, ungroup, nudge elements with arrow keys, then regroup and...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.